Welcome back to LonsRods. Working on the 34 Plymouth. I call it a 34. Was a 33, but I put a different dash, and I'm going to call it a 34. So that's what I'm calling it. So there's the new dash. So bottom frame, I reworked a Model A frame, window frame, because you can find Model A shit everywhere. So I used a Model A lower with some uprights, and then I'm going to use the original upright on the 33, which is now a 34. And this is for all the Facebook rat rod, hot rod group that put in a bunch of complaints and got me removed from my posts. They thought, you know, they're know-it-alls and blah blah blah. So there's the window frame, and you've seen what it looked like before, a pretzel. So yeah, I think I know what I'm doing. So yeah, if you like this content, like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Have a good one. Later.